This is what my desk looks like, and I'm about to give it a little facelift. I would like to match it with my room with all my white furniture, and so I went and bought a new paintbrush kit, and I got this from Walmart. It's the brand Glidden. It's in high endurance interior or exterior paint in gloss white. So I'm about to go ahead and get started, and it'll probably need a couple coats. So the paint job is now finished. It's dry and ready for decoration, and I have this wall decal, Be Your Own Kind of Beautiful, and it's I guess silver with butterflies. And I got this from Dollar Tree a little while ago, and I was thinking of putting this not on the wall but maybe like right here, and I thought it would look really cute. So I went and got my decal on here, and I started arranging some pictures. These are from Bath & Body Works, the little booklet they sent a while ago, and I thought the pictures were really pretty, and it looks great against the white, so I have it set like that. And I got a glass top, custom made. We went and put the glass top on the desk. It turned out really great. The measurements are perfect, so I'm pretty excited. Went and got the drawers put in, and these knobs, I went and painted them silver glitter, and I got that from Walmart. I wanted to show you the paint that I used for my knobs. It is by Folk Art Extreme Glitter Acrylic Paint, and they also have in other colors, gold and pink, but I thought silver would be perfect for my desk. So here is what it looks like with all my stuff on top. I don't want to go into in-depth detail because I'm going to do a separate updated room tour since my office is now in my beauty room. And I want to show you from this angle what it looks like. And as always, thanks for watching. I will see y'all in the next video.